On today's episode, we're going to be making a Dalgona Whipped Coffee. How about that? Let's get cooking. Add 2 tablespoons of instant coffee to a large bowl, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, and 2 tablespoons of hot water, but not boiling. I'm going to be using a hand whisk. The goal here is to add lots of air into this. It will trap the air. It will start to get lighter and lighter. As I lift it up with a spoon, this is 3/4 of the way done. I'm going to add the whisk back to it, and you'll notice it'll be fluffy and have a nice peak to it. Add some cold milk to a glass and then top it off with the whipped coffee and spoon it around. That's how easy it is. You could use almond milk, you could use oat milk, hemp milk, white sugar, brown sugar, agave nectar, honey. There are so many ways you can have fun when it comes to making this whipped coffee drink. Let's take a taste. I'm Jon Ashton. Always remember, keep it simple. See you next time.